let us deep dive into git reset. This is my local repository and we can see the commit history using the command git log. So I have bunch of commits. Let's say I want to undo some successive commits, topmost successive commits, let's say I want to undo successive 2 commits. Yes, that we can do that with the git reset hard. I want to undo top successive 2 commits. So we can write head tilde 2. So this will undo top 2 commits and this become the topmost commit in the current branch, and the head pointer will be pointing to this commit. It's like a resetting the head. So if we do this reset hard, yes, we'll undo the changes in these commits, as well as these commit IDs will be discarded from the commit history. If we are pretty sure that we don't know this bunch of commits here, we can do this reset hard. So let me do this. So now it shows that head is now at this commit ID, which becomes the topmost commit ID in the current branch, and head pointer points to this. And the changes are gone forever. We cannot get them back. Like whatever changes happened during these commits are completely gone. If you see the history, you can see if you see the status, you can see it's a clean, and this is the commit history. So this is how git reset hard works. It's a destructive and powerful command. Changes gone using reset hard are gone forever. There are also other types of resets like soft reset, git reset. We have to give the keyword soft, and let's say I want to discard top only this commit ID and I want this to be the topmost. So you can write soft head tilde 1 to discard the first commit. This is one way to do, or else you can give the commit ID whichever becomes the topmost commit ID after discarding this. After discarding this topmost one, this becomes the pointer where head points to. So git reset soft. So now if you see the status, git status, you can see, yes, reset soft will discard the changes from the local repository, but changes will be there in the working directory. Changes are discarded both from local repository and staging area. Changes will be there in the staging area. It is showing us changes to be committed.